Hello everyone, welcome back to Wayspire. My name is Eddie, your Wayspire trainer, and today we are diving deep into one of the most in-demand skills in the world, digital marketing. Stay tuned till the end because I will also share how you can start your digital marketing journey with Wayspire's training and upskilling program. Chapter 1. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing simply means promoting products, services, or brands using the internet and digital channels. Everything you see online, ads on Instagram, Google search results, YouTube videos, email newsletters, SEO blogs, website banners, all of this is part of digital marketing. Chapter 2. Why digital marketing matters today. Today, people spend more time online than ever before. Brands go where their audience is, on digital platforms. Key reasons? 5+ billion people use the internet. Digital is cheaper than traditional marketing. Easy to track results. Better targeting. Accessible for small businesses. Chapter 3. Mind-blowing digital marketing facts. Here are some eye-opening facts. Google handles 8.5 billion searches daily. 70% of consumers research online before buying. Video content is the most consumed content. Digital marketing career growth is at 20% plus annually.
Chapter 4. Types of digital marketing. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of today's lesson, the types of digital marketing. These are the main areas you will work on as a digital marketer. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO means improving your website so it ranks higher on Google. When you search something like best shoes under 1000, the websites don't appear randomly. SEO brings them to the top. Use for free traffic from Google. 2. Social media marketing, SMM. This includes creating content and running campaigns on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, etc. Goal: build followers, reach, engagement, and brand presence. 3. Search engine marketing, SEM/Google ads. These are paid ads you see on Google. Companies bid on keywords to show ads at the top of search results. Goal: instant visibility and website traffic. 4. Content marketing. Content is everything. Blogs, reels, videos, infographics, case studies. Good content builds trust and brings customers organically. 5. Email marketing. This includes sending newsletters, offers, updates, and personalized messages to your audience. Goal: retain customers and increase sales. 6. Affiliate marketing. Creators promote a product and earn a commission for every sale. It's how influencers make money, recommending apps, courses, or gadgets. 7. Influencer marketing. Brands collaborate with influencers to reach a targeted audience. Even micro-influencers can drive huge impact. 8. Mobile marketing. Marketing through SMS, app notifications, mobile ads, everything targeted to mobile users. 9. Marketing automation. This means using software to automate repeated tasks like email sequences, ad optimization, and scheduling. Each business uses a mix of these methods depending on their goals. And as a digital marketer, you will get to work across many of these exciting areas.
Chapter 5. What digital marketing is used for. Digital marketing helps brands achieve goals like brand awareness, lead generation, sales growth, customer engagement, website traffic, online reputation. Chapter 6. Tools every digital marketer must know. Some essential tools include Google Analytics, Google Ads, SEMrush/Ahrefs, Meta Ads Manager, Canva/Figma, MailChimp/HubSpot, Hootsuite/Buffer. Chapter 7. Career opportunities. Digital marketing opens the door to roles like social media manager, SEO specialist, performance marketer, content strategist, brand manager, email marketer, digital marketing executive, freelancer/agency owner.
Final chapter: how you can start learning. If you're someone who wants to build a strong career, grow your skills, or simply understand how businesses succeed online, then learning digital marketing is one of the best decisions you can make today. And the good news is, you don't need any prior experience. You just need the right guidance and a structured learning path. That's exactly what the Wayspire training and upskilling program offers. In this program, you'll work on real-world projects, learn the exact tools used by industry professionals, and get hands-on practice so you're not just learning theory. You're actually developing job-ready skills. Whether you're a student, a beginner, or someone looking to switch careers, this program is designed to help you grow step by step. So if you're ready to start your journey and become a confident digital marketer, all you have to do is fill out the form mentioned in the caption. Our team will contact you, guide you through the process, and help you get started right away. This is your chance to invest in yourself and unlock new opportunities. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is Eddie, your Wayspire trainer. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep inspiring.